Oh my gosh.
What's going on? It's early on a Sunday.
What's wrong with our Home Depot?
Yeah, I don't know.
It's the Home Dio.
It's
the Home
Dio.
Dio.
We got
And
lots of trucks. Loaded trucks.
sorry this one's late, but that's from hurricane damage. And up until this week, they haven't had any fall deals. But you know, capitalism, they finally got on the ball. Hey, hurricane's over. That's it. At least on this coast. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna see what they've got. Yes, my eyes are puffy. I haven't had my morning mimosa.
Like
So
I said, it's Sunday.
we're gonna fix that in a minute. Let's go pack out, Princess. Let's go. Okay, so tool deals, but
Christmas time.
you're guilty.
I know. We put lights up already.
You know, they said the reason that like winter comes early is because people who put Christmas lights up early.
Right, but in Florida it doesn't really happen, so.
Oh yeah, okay. All right, let's go try to find some Milwaukee PACKOUT stuff.
Okay, let's go.
Where are you going?
I gotta go look at the PACKOUT wall.
I don't think any of that's on sale.
We can at least go look.
Okay, I'll follow you because it's always fun to. It's always a good view. Good morning. Okay, look, there's a little ladder to test stuff out. Look, the PACKOUT that I brought over here is still hung because you know Milwaukee gotta merchandise this thing. No sales. There, it looks like they're out of PACKOUT cabinets, which is crazy, as expensive as that is. Okay, so there is a PACKOUT sale. It's just not this stuff.
Nope.
All right, let's go. Okay, we're here. We're here. We're at the most important section. But there's no sale sign. Wait, what's that? What is that? Is that a new packet? That says Husky.
It's a ripoff.
Come on, as Lincoln would say, yeet it.
They yeeted it.
We're gonna have to buy it. Is there a sale on PACKOUT?
There's a sale. They've got a big sign.
But it's not here.
No, not here.
Okay, let's go find this sale.
It's
Let's
on
go
the
find.
tools.
It's on the end.
Yes, let's go get it.
Oh my. Okay, more PACKOUTs. There it is. All right, you guys keep asking for it. You say, your words are, we're gonna get a PACKOUT deal.
Yeah, so here they
Here we
are.
go.
So if you spend $199, you save $50. If you spend $299, you save $90.
So that means if you buy like a 3-piece stack, you're gonna get it for $209.
Yeah. Yeah.
$209, which is the price that everyone was used to paying.
Yeah.
And look. It's. Can I get it? Can I get it? Can I?
Well, they don't have it.
Oh, but you would have let me.
Maybe.
So drawers, put a drawer on a roller, and you're at $164 plus $139. So you would be over $299. So you would get that 2-piece set for $209.
Yeah. So look, you could have gotten like the XL cooler and then like a low profile organizer, and it would have been like getting that for free.
Or
and then money on.
get the XL.
Or get the.
Build a roadside assistance kit.
Get one. Okay, there you go.
Get some crates
Yeah.
for your spool
There's lots
holders.
of different things you can mix and match.
So
Yeah, it's a really good deal.
So should we make
I don't see any.
their PACKOUT garage a little more cramped?
Maybe.
Okay, well
We'll see.
there's no cooler.
No, not today.
But if you bought the cooler alone, look, you get $50 off.
Yeah, you can get.
So-
Or you just combine it with something else,
And
then you get 90 off.
I like the way you think. Okay, let's go find other stuff. Okay, so if you wanted to,
Go with the Evil brand.
cross to the dark side, which, hey, if you don't know, these kits fit inside. So those, while they're not necessarily click-on, these little trays are pretty sweet. These trays are actually meant to fit down inside the tough system. So, $49.99, right? Yeah, what's the price? PACKOUT Princess. I know you're a PACKOUT Princess, so you don't know how to talk when it's not a PACKOUT.
Yeah, it's
So $199. So that would be the same price.
Yeah.
But come on, get
Team
that
red.
one. Yeah.
Team
Okay.
Red. Team red.
Okay. So what else? Oh, okay. Here we go.
There's more deals.
Let's look at the. All right. So you guys always said like show it more. All right. Buy one of these. Get this free. This is that new battery, the new 2.5. It's got the better cells. So that's this guy, right? I think so.
This is just sell for regular $80 it says.
Yeah.
Pretty good price. I mean, If you don't need something.
So
Super
besides
expensive.
that fuel ratchet, I have it all. This one's nice. These are the new high outputs kits. So it's got the high out 2.5 and the 5.0.
And look, they could get this for $20, and then they could come over to our store and buy
A pack
the
out to put it-
rectangle bins.
Oh, look at that. Yeah. Look what they're doing there. You guys see the new bit holders? I got a video I'm gonna do on those. Okay, let's go down here.
Okay.
What do we have on this end cap?
Knives and squares.
Yep. These
Tape measures.
are perfect stocking stuffers for dads. You get a
Actually,
2-pack.
These are better.
Oh,
like
nice.
knives
Is
better.
that then? Okay. They're all $19.
That's all yellow, green, whatever.
IOB. Well, they want to see it real quick. But we're stuck. Okay. Bit kits. It's the wrong color, right?
Very
Okay.
long color.
Diablo blades. It's a nice little kit. Okay. Oh, there's a PACKOUT daughter in the way. Hey, PACKOUT daughter. What's on sale? Just kidding. Okay. Those are good. Definitely. What are they? 29? Or the headlamp?
These are each 30.
I think that, I was going to say, that is regularly that. That's not the whole, they marked it up and then lowered it. But right here, look. Which one is it? It's the $99 set. This guy is the one that works with the slug butter kit.
That was their one too.
Right, but this one's slug butter kit works with, which is pretty sweet because it's a 3D printed tray. That, yes, so stubby with the new 5.0 battery. Not bad. That, somebody was like, hey, I saw Milwaukee, I decided to get it. These are pretty nice. Oh, yeah, on the 1999 7. These are good. These are nice. These are nice little pliers. Okay, I'm gonna spoil a Christmas present. I'm just gonna grab one of those. How much are these? Oh, $179, which is nice. That new one, it's a kit, and it's got that new battery, so it's nice they're including that new battery with everything. The OMT kit, $39.88. I don't see any of the new bit cases. Where did we find the bit cases? Was
It
that
was just
in Port
random.
Charlotte?
No.
Oh, they were just laying around. Look, how are we walking past PACKOUT prices? You're letting us down. If you buy this vac, which it's the new Milwaukee vac that everyone hates because of the price, which it's cordless, so let's stop hating on them. Boom, 6-gallon
You get one of these
M18.
for free.
This one is awesome for doing any kind of TV work, home theater, because you know you're constantly cutting in holes. Well, that's not bad, long reach, because you know you gotta.
That's right. Yeah.
Okay, never mind. Kids are around. Okay, next. Okay, so what is this? What are they doing? Let's back up. Okay, so what do we got?
We've got. Oh yeah. Okay. So you've got buy this kit, so $5.99, and you get 2 free tools.
But look at what one of them is. All the way in the bottom left-hand corner. Show them.
I can't
Point with your
see.
finger. Bottom left-hand corner. That's what,
Oh, this one.
you know. Point.
This one.
Yeah. So you have to buy me $599 for Christmas stuff,
Yeah. No.
and you can get what?
Well, how much is just the tool only?
I don't know, but I need this sander too. I don't have that.
Oh, boy.
I got tons of these now. I got 2 of these.
So if you spend $600, you get 2 free tools.
Okay.
Spend $400, you get 1 free tool. Spend $200, get 1 free tool.
So yeah, if you just get that $199, you could get the M18 inflator for free, and then I have more batteries. They are giving away. I don't know if you guys haven't figured this out yet, but they're giving away the 5.0 as like candy now. They have a warehouse somewhere in the United States with literally 200,000 square feet of batteries.
Yeah.
Just batteries. But yeah, so you can get that dual charger. It's like a $179 value. I saw this on the PACKOUT group. You guys were freaking out about that. It's usually $149. $149 and that. So when they sell that at $199 on HomeDepot.com, you're getting that. So don't freak out. And that's better than Chinese batteries. Don't get the knockoff batteries. So look at this. They have a pretty good. Oh, there's PACKOUT vac.
We have that one.
Okay, let's look down here. Let's see what's down here. What do we have? Okay.
The lovely cups.
That's your best. Give
Right?
your
Put those in our
dad,
stocking.
or put him a nice little frosty beverage for Christmas morning or
Oh, there you
Thanksgiving,
go.
or when he watches the game. Sawzall blades, 119 or 19. What's the 79? Oh, so non-fuel tools. The grinder. Don't get this. I love you, Milwaukee, but don't get that. I have it, and that thing is. That's awesome. That's fine. Get that guy. Get that Rover. 99. That's also. I mean, I guess for 99 is okay. Oh, look here. You can get this. Look at this. You can get that. And then you can get one of the conversion kits. And you can have your air filer cheaper than the Milwaukee one that they finally decided to come out with.
Yep.
What was that stuff? Is that just more yellow?
Yeah, just more yellow.
Okay, so is there deals on the yellow?
I mean,
Should we show them since it's
we should show 'em.
a holiday guide? Okay. I'm gonna let you talk because I might vomit while we talk about this.
I'm not so listen, they got the same deal
Okay.
as Milwaukee. So spend $600, get 2 free tools. Spend $400, get 1. Spend $200, get 1.
So what are their free
I don't
tools?
know what. Are
60 volt battery.
I don't know.
But you guys know it's not a 20 volt. You know they're not 20 volts. They're 18. 18 volt nominal. All of those are not. Oh. Okay, so that would be okay. Whatever. It's yellow. It's the wrong color. So they got a good one. And okay, we don't have any problem with Makita because that's what JakeOfALL used to have. I know. So they're doing get 2 on $400. That's not bad.
Yeah.
This X-Lock, you guys, if you haven't seen the X-Lock, this stuff is definitely nice. 18 volt inflator. Okay. The battery on this ratchet thing is just whatever. That's weird. Why do they do that? Nobody wants a big 18 volt ratchet. But whatever. Okay. And then exclusively at the Home Depot, rigid. What, $3.99 get free tools?
Yeah.
All right, so apparently this system and this system is you don't have to spend as much and you still get free tools.
What is that? Oh, that's still rigid. Yeah, okay.
Okay. Nice. Rigid. Look at this. They're good Lord, that's cheap for batteries. Okay. So Diablo.
$12.88 each.
That's not bad. I've started to hear a lot of people hating on those Diablo paddle bits. That they tear out a lot. Oh, there's that X-Lock. So no tools required. You just push a button on the top.
That's convenient.
Tape measures. Some Husky stuff. Okay. More red. Okay. We're gonna follow PACKOUT Princess. She's the red hunter. More of the drill bits that, the old style. You guys know they're coming out with new styles. There they are. She found them. Okay, so there's one of their $2.99 combo kits. This is all non-fuel. This is probably just brushless. Still not a bad deal if you're trying to get this for somebody you want to get on the M18 platform. This guy is a good deal. So basically, these batteries, yeah, I know. So this one, by the way, hold on, 8.0 and the 3.0. This 3.0 is perfect for their sanders or any other lighter tools that you don't want a big battery, that you want good runtime and high output. But here they are. There's the new bit holders, which we're going to do a video on. We're going to open them up. I got one of these, and I got some SDS. And actually, we got a giveaway on that one. I decided we're going to give away the old kit that I still never opened. Okay. So that's the new, that's not bad. That's the new fuel M18 oscillating OMT. Okay, let's check the other side. Just in time for winter. PACKOUT Princess. She's got to get her beanie. Okay, so swag. Ooh. I've been wanting to try this one, but that's extra large. Man, my hand, I could get both of our hands on this. Don't you think?
They're soft.
But they could work with your nails, I guess. These cutters, I have these for PEX and for sprinkler stuff. get these. These are nice.
I like the wrist random like that.
Yeah, here's some batteries. Okay, so what else? Oh, okay, so there's a little bit more. Look. Look, they
This color hurts my
I know,
eyes.
they updated theirs, so they have a different chuck that is this twist lock. So this would be a good upgrade if you wanted to use this in your non-Ryobi, which is this little twist lock system. Really helpful to change bits quickly. Oh, look, we have a new battery. Look, you can charge that. That's funny. It's like you can charge the battery.
This thing?
Yeah, look, you can literally plug a USB
yeah.
into it.
That's kind of convenient.
That's not bad.
Though.
So what is the price of that? I don't even see the price of that one. It's just thrown here. There's a package opener. That's probably helpful. Okay, so a corded one is $79. Here we go. Where is it? Okay. So USB lithium, we know where that comes from, right?
So 25.
Where is it, 25?
Yeah. Your choice, $25. Oh no, maybe it's 50.
I think that one's 50.
See, they should put like a line.
But that little weird driver or the little batteries are, and then sanding. Okay.
We're gonna get run over soon.
Okay, let's run this way. So, ho ho ho.
Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas.
Oh, I just was calling you.
Hey.
Oh, I'm just kidding. All right.
So we found some good deals.
So finally,
So you
right?
really should check
The
out
hurricane is over,
Yeah.
at least Ian.
Yes.
The other side.
And then Nicole hit the other side.
But it's some good deals, good stocking stuffers, great tool deals, and I
Yeah.
guess it's just time for us to.
Yeah, it's time for us to.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna. Ow.
Come on, we're gonna pack into the. We're just
ow,
disappearing.
ow,
We're going away into the
I'm
Christmas
gonna get
trees.
electrocuted soon.
All right, say bye.
Bye. Ow! Ow! It's stabbing me.
Okay, you gotta do the thing.
What am I doing?
Oh, I don't know. You always turn the camera on.
I do. All right. Back out.